Welcome to class 6th English class. Today we read Mahagiri the Kind Elephant SGP 2. Now Mahagiri carried the flagpole up to the hole, but suddenly he stopped and turned back. The Mahout, who was sitting on him, ordered him to put the flagpole in the hole, but Mahagiri would not move. The Mahout shouted and screamed at him, but still he did not move. The villagers were angry and they shouted at the Mahout. Mahagiri could not stand the noise any longer. He threw away the flagpole and the Mahout was also thrown off. The people became so frightened that they ran away for their lives. Mahagiri was now alone. He moved to the hole and went down on his forelegs. He put his long trunk into the hole and gently picked off a kitten. The little cat had been hiding in the hole. The people had been watching all this. They now knew why the elephant had not obeyed the Mahout's order. He did not like to kill the kitten. Mahagiri then placed the flagpole into the hole and held it straight. With his trunk, everyone at the temple gave sweets and fruits to the elephant. From that day, Mahagiri became the villagers' favorite elephant and the children's best friend. କଠିନ ଶବ୍ଦମାନଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖିବା ସଡନଲି ଆକସ୍ମିକ ଟର୍ଣ୍ଡ ବୁଲିଲା ଉଡ୍ ୱିଲ୍ର ଅତୀତ କାଳ ସ୍କ୍ରେମ୍ଡ ରଡ଼ିବା ଥ୍ରୋନ୍ ଥ୍ରୋର ଥାର୍ଡ ଫର୍ମ ଥ୍ରୋ ଥ୍ରିଉ ଥ୍ରୋନ୍ ଫିଙ୍ଗି ହେଇଗଲା ଫୋରଲେଗ୍ସ ଆଗ ଗୋଡ଼ କିଟେନ୍ ବିଲେଇ ଛୁଆ ଫେଭୋରାଇଟ୍ ଅଧିକ ଆଦରଣୀୟ। ଏବେ ପାଠଟିକୁ ବୁଝିବା। ନାଉ ମହାଗିରି କ୍ୟାରିଡ୍ ଦ ଫ୍ଲାଗପୋଲ୍ ଅପ୍ ଟୁ ଦ ହୋଲ୍। ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମହାଗିରି ସେଇ ପତାକା ସ୍ତମ୍ଭକୁ ଗାତ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ନେଲା। ବଟ୍ ସଡନଲି ହି ଷ୍ଟପ୍ଡ, କିନ୍ତୁ ହଠାତ୍ ସେ ଠିଆ ହେଇଗଲା and turned back ଏବଂ ପଛକୁ ମୋଡ଼ିଲା। The Mahout, who was sitting on him, ordered him to put the flagpole in the hole. ମାହୁନ୍ତ ଯିଏକି ତା ଉପରେ ବସିଥିଲା ସେଇ ଫ୍ଲାଗପୋଲକୁ ସେଇ ଗାତ ଭିତରେ ରଖିବା ପାଇଁ ଆଦେଶ ଦେଲା। ବଟ୍ ମହାଗିରି would not move, କିନ୍ତୁ ମହାଗିରି ଘୁଞ୍ଚିଲା ନାହିଁ। The Mahout shouted and screamed at him. ମାହୁନ୍ତ ତାକୁ ପାଟି କଲା, ଜୋରରେ ରଡ଼ିଲା। But still he did not move, କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଘୁଞ୍ଚିଲା ନାହିଁ। The villagers were angry and they shouted at the Mahout. ଲୋକମାନେ ରାଗି ଯାଇକି ସେ ମାହୁନ୍ତ ଉପରେ ପାଟି କଲେ। ମହାଗିରି could not stand the noise any longer. ମହାଗିରି ସେଇ କୋଳାହଳ ଭିତରେ ଆଉ ବେଶୀ ସମୟ ରହିପାରିଲା ନାହିଁ। He threw away the flagpole. ସେଇ ପତାକା ସ୍ତମ୍ଭକୁ ସେ ଫିଙ୍ଗିଦେଲା। And the Mahout was also thrown off. ଏବଂ ସେ ମାହୁନ୍ତ ମଧ୍ୟ ଫିଙ୍ଗି ହେଇଗଲା। The people became so frightened that they ran away for their lives. ସେଇ ଲୋକମାନେ ଗଭୀର ଭାବରେ ଭୟଭୀତ ହେଇଗଲେ ଏବଂ ନିଜର ଜୀବନ ରକ୍ଷା କରିବା ପାଇଁ ସେମାନେ ଦୌଡ଼ି ପଲେଇଗଲେ। ମହାଗିରି was now alone. ମହାଗିରି ଏବେ ଏକାକୀ ଥିଲା। He moved to the hole and went down on his forelegs. ସେ ସେଇ ଗାତ ପାଖକୁ ଗଲା ଏବଂ ନିଜର ଆଗ ଗୋଡ଼କୁ ମୋଡ଼ି ନଇଁଲା। He put his long trunk into the hole and gently picked up a kitten. ସେ ତାର ଲମ୍ବ ଶୁଣ୍ଢକୁ ଗାତ ଭିତରେ ଭରିଲା ଏବଂ କୋମଳ ଭାବରେ ଗୋଟିଏ ଛୋଟ ବିଲେଇ ଛୁଆକୁ ଉଠେଇଲା। The little cat had been hiding in the hole. ସେଇ ବିଲେଇ ଛୁଆଟି ସେଇ ଗାତ ଭିତରେ ଲୁଚି ରହିଥିଲା। The people had been watching all this. ଲୋକମାନେ ଏଇ ସବୁ ଦେଖୁଥିଲେ। They now knew why the elephant had not obeyed the Mahout's order. ଏବେ ସେମାନେ ବୁଝିପାରିଲେ ଯେ ସେ ହାତୀଟା କାହିଁକି ମାହୁନ୍ତର ଆଦେଶ ମାନିଲା ନାହିଁ। He did not like to kill the kitten. ସେ ବିଲେଇ ଛୁଆକୁ ମାରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁନଥିଲା। Mahagiri then placed the flagpole into the hole. ତାପରେ ମହାଗିରି ସେଇ ପତାକା ସ୍ତମ୍ଭକୁ ସେଇ ଗାତରେ ଭରିଲା। And held it straight with his trunk. ଏବଂ ତାକୁ ସିଧା କରି ତା ଶୁଣ୍ଢ ସାହାଯ୍ୟରେ ଧରିଲା। Everyone at the temple gave sweets and fruits to the elephant. ସେଇ ମନ୍ଦିରରେ ଯେତେ ଲୋକ ଥିଲେ ସମସ୍ତେ ସେଇ ହାତୀକୁ ମିଠା ଏବଂ ଫଳ ଦେଲେ। From that day, Mahagiri became the villagers' favorite elephant. ଆଉ ସେଇ ଦିନଠାରୁ ମହାଗିରି ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କର ଅତି ପ୍ରିୟ ହାତୀ ହେଲା ଏବଂ and the children's best friend ଏବଂ ଛୋଟ ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କର ସବୁଠାରୁ ପ୍ରିୟ ସାଥୀ ହେଲା। ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ପିଲାମାନେ, ତମେ ୟାକୁ ବୁଝିବା ପାଇଁ ବାରମ୍ବାର ଦେଖ ଏବଂ ବହି ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ମିଳେଇକି ପଢ଼, ତାହେଲେ ତମେ ୟାକୁ ସହଜରେ ବୁଝି ଓ ମନେ ରଖିପାରିବ।